Welcome to part 9 of Blogger plus AdSense tutorial series. You are going to learn how to fix Google served ads on screens without publisher content and valuable inventory under construction issues on Blogger website after my site was rejected by Google AdSense again. It's been another week after I received previous rejection. Google AdSense rejected my Blogger site's review application again. This time AdSense detected 2 policy violations on my website, which are Google served ads on screens without publisher content and valuable inventory under construction issues. Compared to previous rejection, under construction issue still exists, but another policy violation is totally new. I never saw any policy violation related to this before October 2021, and none of my previous AdSense rejection was related to Google served ads on screens without publisher content. I'm gonna call this AdSense policy violation as GSA, because it is annoying to call Google served ads on screens without publisher content repeatedly. It is not short like no content or under construction issues. When I tried to search for GSA in the Google AdSense community, I couldn't see anyone asking questions related to GSA. All I could find was Google publisher policies, with some policy violations I never met before, and the explanation about GSA given by Google AdSense is identical to what is showing inside my Google AdSense account. Nothing here was helpful for me to solve this policy violation. I checked a few latest videos on AdSense YouTube channel, but there was nothing related to GSA. Meanwhile, I noticed a few videos recently are related to some policy violations in Google Publisher Policies page. Maybe Google AdSense will be going to discuss more about Google served ads on screens without publisher content, but who knows when it will be. When I view back my AdSense site list, it seems like Google served ads on screens without publisher content is a combination of 4 policy violations, which includes valuable inventory no content, low value content, valuable inventory under construction, and site behavior navigation issue. But after I compare the following resources and guidelines provided by Google AdSense below GSA, I think GSA is quite similar to valuable inventory no content, due to the fact that most of the resources given by AdSense to both policy violations are similar. But I was not sure about my thought because low value content is involved in GSA too. I will treat GSA as a no content issue first, and then I will explain more about no content in the first part of this VAT video. Inside my Google Search Console account, all sitemaps except RSS feeds on Google Search Console still do not have the index coverage icon at the back. I can't click this See index coverage under sitemap.xml. I'm still using the original robots.txt generated by Blogger, but I'm not sure why this problem has not been fixed yet. Inside the coverage summary page of Google Search Console, all my Blogger posts and pages have been crawled and indexed by Google after URL submission a few weeks ago. Normally, it is simple to fix the no content issue if you have 15 to 20 high-quality content blog posts that have been crawled and indexed by Google through URL submission in Google Search Console. But my main sitemap with no index coverage icon could be the main reason why Google AdSense rejected my Blogger website with GSA or no content issue in the previous application. All I can do is wait for Google to recrawl all my blog posts, and this issue may be fixed in this way. To fix under construction issue, you have to inspect your website in detail. I started my inspection on the page list as this was where the issues came from last time. About Me page was okay, Contact Me page has a functional contact form, and Privacy Policy page has correct wordings used with proper link. I proceeded to view the content in Google Docs, then I fixed a minor naming issue in the first sentence. Finally, I found what was really wrong that caused Google AdSense to reject my Blogger website with valuable inventory under construction problem. This important page template was private only to me, and I discovered that I didn't enable the public sharing settings in part 8 of BAT video. So now it is simple to fix under construction issue on my Blogger site. Just click change to anyone with a link, and then anyone on the internet with this link can view this page on Google Docs. Don't change the link if you have already put it inside an important page, the settings will update itself. I can see the content of this Google Docs document using incognito mode on Google Chrome, and this is the correct way to show an important page to Google AdSense. If you do not enable the public view settings in Google Docs, this link will redirect users to the Google login page instead of the important page template. This setting caused Google AdSense to reject my Blogger website twice and wasted my time. So I finally fixed this under construction issue by enabling the public sharing settings on Google Docs. This link is an example of improper link, which is a functional link that doesn't lead to a 40 for error page, but the link doesn't redirect users to the proper web page. You can't remove any improper links through a broken link checker. All you can do is find them one by one when you deeply inspect your website. Apart from that, I also remove more links on some of my content as a precaution to prevent under construction issue in the next review application I will send to AdSense. Here is a little tip for you. Try not to provide links with the wordings like click this, next article, or previous part. You should elaborate more about the posts or mention the post title if you want to avoid under construction, but the best solution is still remove these links as much as possible, even though it is not a good search engine optimization practice for a website. I did a final check on my Blogger site using incognito mode on Google Chrome, just trying to view my website like a normal user will do. All important pages are okay, and all Google Docs links can be viewed even in incognito mode. That's all how I did my website review, then moved back to my Google AdSense account. Click this box and press request review to let my website have a chance of getting Google AdSense approval a few days later. That's all for part 9 of Blogger plus AdSense tutorial series. Feel free to ask me something in the comments section if you still have any doubts about Blogger and Google AdSense approval. You are going to learn how to fix low-value content AdSense problem on Blogger website, and a few ways to fix low-value content issue to get Google AdSense approval in part 10 of the BAT series. Click the watch list on your left to watch the next part of the BAT series, or click the watch list on your right to learn more about Google AdSense and the ways to fix policy violations on Google AdSense. Goodbye and have a nice day.